Okay, so I'm gonna go through the menu real quick. I have radio and I have the console up. So you can have radio full screen if you want, or you can have it half screen with the console. Same with the console. You can have all the car settings. These don't work with the Tacoma. They're just, you know, it's not supported by our OBD. So apps, you got aux, picture, file manager, car monitor. You can see side view camera. I have it hooked up to my front view, so you can see my front view and my rear view. So I'll go back. Picture, file manager. You can, oh sorry, we did car monitor. You can do light settings, so you can change the color of your lights. You can do green, teal, blue, or purple. And then you know, standard Google Mail, Gmail, navigation, maps. So settings, go through these real quick. Navigation, I set my default music player to Z-Link. It's pretty much all I use. This is for this icon right here. You can customize this to any app on this list if you want. GPS monitor using my stock shark fin. Just the date time, English. This is your bass, you got crossover and gain, EQ, balance. You have your gains, and you can turn each one on or off. And then sound field, you can do time alignment, presets too. You do presets, and then filters, crossover for your main speakers. And then what else we got? Equalizer, dimmer for day, night settings, user settings. Track-align actually works with your steering wheel, so if you turn track-align on, it'll actually turn with your steering wheel. You know, let me show you real quick. Oh, you know what? The car got to be on. I'll show you that in a little while. Sound attenuation, parking sound if you want. Sound while you're in reverse, of course, leave that on. Touchstone, I'll just kind of show you all these, and you could make changes to them if you wanted to. Wheel settings, system info, we'll skip reset, install set 8861, and these are the different. So I did change this previous next setting, this for the steering wheel controls. It was at negative, so my forward would go back and my back would go forward, so that's fixed that. And different gains for different inputs. So for the Tacoma, I have it manual single zone. These themes there, I didn't change them, they just stayed the way they are. And that's it. Radio region, North America, touch key, I didn't mess with any of these either. But I believe this is a key on the screen. Boot logo, you can, if you get an image the right size and put it in file manager, you can load it up as your boot logo. I think that's all of those. So Netflix, go through the apps real quick. Netflix, I'm not on the internet, so you won't get that. Navigation, phone link doesn't do anything. Explorer, Google, Bluetooth, keypad, recents, phone book, settings. Bluetooth is standard stuff. Aux, I don't use the aux. File manager, again. So this is Z-Link, I have mine. I think we did radio, we did apps, I did settings, oh, music. I have my music in settings set to Z-Link. So then you have video, so you can watch some videos. And I think with any of them, you can switch top to bottom. So if I do radio, I can switch top to bottom. I can also go full screen if I want, or if I do half screen, it'll be off. So I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, I think you can do that with any of them. You know, you can keep everything half screen or move it top to bottom. So settings, I like the full screen. Same with music. Oh, well, except for Z-Link. So even your navigation, if you want to do, oh, I think you have to use a setting to do it in navigation, but Explorer too. So anyway, home screen, navigation, app list, some pretty wallpapers. If you want. Okay, I'm gonna start the car. Video might get a little shaky, but I'll show you some of the AC controls and the backup camera. So backup camera. So, and you know what, let me show you the lines real quick. Setting. I go user settings, track line on. Now it'll have this line that actually I'm moving my steering wheel. That's kind of cool. But it messes with my other line, so I'll leave it off. If you go radio, you can see the console works. So RPM works too, and then also the AC controls. So do this one too. Low, change the temp down. You can do beat, turn on for circulate, turn on recirculate, beat, and then these work too. And this one changes, so your passenger can change stuff too. So, but yeah, volume. So that's about it. All right.